are welcoming you in Warsaw, Poland, at the Copernicus Planetarium. We would like to show you this wonderful place after a long refurbishing.
And during this renovation, we switched both our equipment and our software.
We focused on truly listening to the planetarium's needs, creating a deeper level of immersion, adapting to the specific constraint of the dome.
We were really waiting to open again, and we were very curious what the outcome will be. And we are so thrilled when we finally opened again. And I must say, we were impressed by the outcome. We've seen the cosmos the way we didn't see it before because we had new features that were not available for us.
This planetarium is equipped with 6 laser projectors, the Sony GTZ380. These projectors are the 4K matrix, as we don't want to do any compromise on the quality.
But beyond the technology itself, our approach is built on collaboration. We work closely with each team to ensure the final result fully reflects their vision.
What our new projectors could do and our new software, Sky Explorer from RSA Cosmos could do, was so exciting for us.
These products are coming from several decades of technology and innovation, and the main features we can mention for best picture quality are the 15,000:1 native contrast ratio, which is allowing a high sensitivity for the dark images. We have also 10,000 lumens of brightness, which is allowing us to do a very impacting image.
But what is interesting to me is looking at the old stuff we made, our old shows and our old movies, because we thought we know them so good, but when we could see them with our new projectors on the dome, it was like seeing them again for the first time, and that was really emotional for us.
We have also a liquid cooling system inside of the projectors to reduce the noise of the machine, which is very important to improve the quality when you are listening a show.
Sky Explorer was designed precisely for this purpose. It is a powerful and flexible software that smoothly controls the entire system while enabling rich and intuitive storytelling.
We put a lot of time into playing with this stuff and trying to implement them to the shows. For example, my favorite thing is a customizable black hole where we can show all the optical relativistic effects in accretion disk. It's always mesmerizing to me.
We are extremely proud to have been selected and even prouder of the final result, a state-of-the-art planetarium that redefines what a modern dome can offer.
It's exactly what we try to do at Sony, to make something quite complex easy for a daily usage in this planetarium.